I'm Joshua C. De Leon, and today I'll be explaining my website project called Bataan Community Bulletin. This website was created to share updates and promote unity among the different communities of Bataan. The HTML file is the main structure of my website. At the top of inside the head section, I have the title, meta tags, responsiveness, and a link to my CSS file called style.css. Inside the body, there are three main parts. The header, which shows the title Bataan Community Bulletin, and the subtitle Building Unity Through Shared Stories. The container, which holds two sections, one for the buttons that represent the different areas in Bataan, and another for updates where the information appears. And lastly, the footer, which displays the copyright. CSS styling. The CSS file gives the website its design and layout. I use a soft green color theme to symbolize nature and community. The header has a green background and white text with shadow effect to make it stand out. The buttons have rounded corners, hovers effects, and adjust their size when viewed on smaller screens using the media rule. The update section has a light green background with a green border on the left to highlight the information. The last part is the script.js file, which makes the website interactive. I created an object called updates data that contains information for the area like Balanga City, Maribeles, Dinalpian, and others. The JavaScript automatically creates buttons for each area using the create buttons function. When you click button, it runs the show updates function, which changes the content of the update section to display information about the place. The active button also changes color thanks to CSS. Now let's see in action. When I open the website, I see a welcome message. If I click Balanga City, the updates area change on show details about Balanga. The same happen when I click other towns like Maribeles, Dinalpian, or Raleigh. And that's my community bulletin website. It's responsive, clean, and informative. Thank you for watching my explanation.